everyone, I'm Roslyn Verbasella. I will now explain my code for the profile management interface. First, we have the class declaration. This is the main class of the program. It contains the main method where all instructions are written inside the class. We define the main method. This is the entry point of the program, meaning this is where the application starts running. I created here frame object with the title Profile Management. This frame is like the window container where all components will be placed. I set the size to 700 × 700 pixels and use a border layout to control the placement of components. On the north section, I place a label with the text Edit Profile. This acts as the header title. I style it with Arial Bold, size 26, and cyan color para mas clear sa user, or klaro. And here to for the center section, I create a panel with a grid layout 6:2. This layout automatically arranges the components into 6 rows and 2 columns. Each row contains a label like full name, email, etc. A text field where the user inputs data. For the password fields, I use set echo char, so when the user types asterisk appear for security. After the form, I created another panel for the button. The button is called Update Profile, styled with cyan background, bold font, and a larger size, so it's more visible to the user. I combine the form panel and button panel into a single content panel using border layout. Then wrap it inside another panel with flow layout to center the entire content in the main frame. Lastly, I added a window listener. This is important because when the user clicks the X button, the program will exit properly using system.exit. Finally, I set the frame to visible so the user can see the interact with the interface. That's all.